Oh yes, eto na, eto na. This is it. Here's my vlog today. We are so sad that Kobe Bryant and her 13 years old daughter uh, crashed on his own helicopter. I can't believe this.
I thought you said car crash.
Helicopter. Helicopter crash. Am I correct? Is my pronunciation correct? Say hello.
Hi.
Low kisses. Just showing your tootie. So yes, we are so sad. I don't want to eat. I don't want to eat, but I need to eat to survive. You know. So this is it. This is one of Probin, that everything is temporary. So always be humble. Is God is reminding us to always humble and be nice to each other. Treat each other with respect. Love. Support each other. At yan pa yan. And one more is the shocking news. There's someone already died. Coronavirus here in Orange County. Imagine that someone already Orange County died by coronavirus. My God. Why we have coronavirus? Because it's from China. When I look the videos, they eat everything. Can you imagine that? They even eat rat. They even eat snake. They even eat any kind of bugs. And the worst thing is that coronavirus is from bat. Am I correct? B-A-T? Bat? Not bot. Huh?
B-A-T-T. Well, B-U-T-T.
Not B-U-T-T. B-A-T. Imagine that. It's very
It's B-U-T-T to spell butt.
Imagine they put that B-A-T
B-U-T-T.
in the soup. And imagine if you drink the soup, you can have coronavirus. And that's why it's spread everywhere now. And there's no cure yet. So someone have coronavirus will die. Very scary because it's already here in Irvine, somewhere else. You know what? I'm thinking today before I go out, I wish I have magic I can put inside all my kids inside my tummy to hide inside my tummy for now. And I want to stay home every single day. So I want to keep save myself and my kids alive inside my tummy, away from coronavirus. See? No? Because they're eating. They must have common sense and consideration. They should not eat everything. They should think in the first place before they eat. Right? May I right or may I left? Of course, may I right. Not left, right. Because if left, right, if left, it's mean left, right, left. Okay ba? Now, I want to eat pho. Because I'm here in Simply Pho. Right? Simply Pho. I'm gonna eat pho. So, we'll keep it alive. Keep it alive, safe. But, you know what we're gonna do? We just wanna make sure that we're safe before then, we wash hands first. We wash hands. We wash hands very, very well. Because very scary, that coronavirus. Once you have it, you have it. What we gonna do? They're gonna send us to the hospital? And then what? And they send us in the hospital? What the doctor gonna do? Because the doctor's nothing, no cure yet for the doctor. They don't know how to.
And a little kid died because
Mhm. Who did?
I don't know, but like something not what.
Something what? Wipe it first. This one, wipe it. You're gonna eat far, you know.
I'm out.
Wipe this one really, really well, okay? Before you use.
Bit a 3-year-old kid's
Oh yeah!
neck.
Isa pa yan. Another one more. I watched the other night or last night, na? That's why I cannot sleep early. Because the mountain lion.
It was in like forest.
It was in, that is really in our city, in Lake Forest. That bear or mountain lion?
Mine.
Mountain lion attacked the 3-year-old. Is that boy or girl?
I don't know.
My God.
I heard that from Lily.
Yeah, I watched that the other night, but I forgot so much going on. Get another one, new one. So much going on in this world. Can you imagine that? Especially in Philippines, you know, Philippines, Mayon volcano, Taal volcano. Yan, you know, sinasabi. Because of the tala na taal. Tala. Kaya kami, nagdance kami ng Talahiban ang title. But God remind us, everything is temporary, our life and everything. That's why you cannot be nose up. Hoy, dyan sa mga nose up, sa mga negative, at saka the people that always dragging other people, whoever is negative, good luck. Everything is temporary. What goes around comes around. Right? So, whatever it is, we have to be nice. Nice each other. Don't be mean. Because if I encounter you and you start mean to me, supal pa lang abot mo sa akin. Ay, supal. Ganon ako.
Mom,
Yeah.
I need a fork.
I will speak up. So, be nice. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice. Humble. 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 Here, use this one. Wipe it first. Wipe very, very well.
Okay.
So now, see? Kain ako ng pho. You don't need this, huh? You want do you want lime? You want lime? Lime? We need more lime. Where's the lady? Call the lady to come. We need more lime. I need more.
Scared. I was scared it's gonna get me.
You need more soup from me? You're fine. Okay.
It's a girly. Why are all the noodles stuck together hard? Mommy, why are the noodles hard?
Yeah, of course. Let me do it for you. So yun. See? You see that? Let me do it for you. Say hello. Hi. Wait. Hey, wait. Can I order? I can order. Can you add me more of this? And I need more lime. I need more of this. Thank you. Look, sarap. Sarap.
So I'm scared someone use Chinese.
With the pho. Don't worry, there's no. Just mix separate it.
Donald Trump, instead of separating Mexico and California, it should separate China and California. Mommy, that's video, not pictures.
I took this picture. Model. See, calamari, squid.